What's up, my garden parents? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. Today, I have put together another informative feature, so come along with me and let's see how best we can address this problem. If you've noticed that the leaves of your Ficus Benjamin trees are curling, accompanied by tiny spots, and you're wondering what's going on with it, it's a sign that your plant might be under attack by some of the tiniest pests you'll ever see around your garden or within your indoor space. They are called thrips. They are tiny, slender insects that pierce the surface of your plant leaves and suck out the sap. The result, distorted leaves that curl over time, which eventually fall off. Their presence is also marked by yellow circles around the tiny spots, which means they are causing damage to the plant tissue as they suck the sap. If you observe the leaves carefully, you'll also see these tiny white, cream, or yellow objects. These are the eggs. The nymphs have this translucent color, while the adults are either black or brown in color, depending on the species. Just to give you an idea of the impact that these pesky insects have on the foliage of the plant, let me show you a close-up of what a damaged leaf versus a healthy leaf looks like. I must point out that these pictures don't give you a true reflection of the extent of the damage that these insects cause to the leaves, because looking at them with the naked eye, you can see the indentation or the impression that they leave behind as they feed. That is why you should not underestimate them. Although they often drain your ficus trees of energy and reduce its ability to photosynthesize, they don't always succeed in damaging every leaf, and that is why the plant has managed to survive even without any form of treatment. There are a few ways that you can check for their presence. You can simply use your fingers to unfold the curl up leaves. If you see anything like this, therein lies your thrips problem. You can also gently shake the leaves over a piece of white paper. If you see tiny insects crawling, it's more than likely that they are present. If you're growing your plants indoors, these are some steps that you can take, to protect them. You can start off by spraying them with some kind of insecticidal soap or neem oil. You don't want to use any chemical that is too toxic, because you don't want to expose yourself or your family to any hazardous substance. And you want to apply these every 7 to 10 days. Keep your plant in bright light. As you know, light is very important for photosynthesis. Avoid overwatering, because overwatering will cause root rot. Also maintain some level of humidity, because thrips love dry air. With time, your trees will bounce back stronger and even better. Remember, sometimes it's the smallest pests that cause the biggest problems. So keep an eye out for those subtle leaf changes, and your ficus will definitely reward you with lush, green, beautiful foliage all year long. As you go, please don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with somebody, and more importantly, subscribing for more plant care tips that will help to keep your plants thriving, free of pesky insects like these. Once again, thank you so much for coming over to support me on this journey, and I'll catch you in another one.